Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Bryant with Busy Bees. Let me show you these new parts here. See, this is your fan hub and this is your clutch fan. And they like to tell you lies and stuff like that. Busy Bees truck service. You know, we got our own trucks and we fix our own trucks. All right, this is a 2013 Peterbilt with the Packard motor. When this went out, I had to take the radiator and everything out of it. This is a 587 Peterbilt. As you see, to do this job, you got to take your air-to-air part and take it out. Your shroud. This is a new radiator. It comes with a kit with new pins and everything. Here's the old one. See how bad that is? Let me see where the heck my fan is. If you see my fan, you're like, dang. So when that thing lets go, man, it let go and it tears up everything. Yeah, here's my old fan. See how I tore it up? So here's my old clutch. Clutch is good. But what it did is it knocked the nipple right off of that. So again, Peterbilt is not telling you that this part is in demand, and it took me 9 days to get this part. And like I said, that's the clutch, that's the hub assembly, and it's just very easy. It goes on them 4 bolts, and then like I said, the major thing you have to do is make sure this is clean before you put this on, because if this right here is very important. You mess that up, you're in trouble. Anyway, this is Busy Bees.